Say hi, guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
My name is Disney, and he's Junior. Say hi, Junior.
The
All right, you see Destiny right here.
hey.
We're gonna be making some miniature slime. So I'm using this miniature thing, and we're just gonna pour the glue in it. I'm gonna put the glue in it, and one of them can pour the glue in the bowl.
Me. He's kind of stingy sometimes.
So yeah.
Show them.
Ah. So you guys see, I'm pouring the glue in. Wait. He's gonna pour it in. Wait, first you gotta show YouTube it. Say hi. Say YouTube. So this is the glue.
Yeah.
And we're gonna put it in our orange bowl. Guys, it's on my finger. Do you move that from the camera? So we're pouring that in. I don't know why my top went. Oh, it's right here. And this is gonna be nail supply slime. So we're gonna use some supplies of nails, and we're gonna make it into slime. So I got this Kiss of Cook nails. Got 2 nail polishes, and that's it. You done?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
So
here's a
Sissy, get
Play-Doh.
some napkins.
Okay.
So she's gonna get us some napkins so we can wipe off this. Here.
He is 2-year-old.
Alright, so we got our bowl.
How old are you?
So I'm 2.
I do.
And I'm 9. She's 9. Just turned 2.
Yeah, we're fraternal twins. Yeah. Okay.
Alright, so I got we're first gonna add in some Kiss miniature stuff. Say Sissy, pour it in.
Dizzy for it.
Alright. We're gonna do one more scoop. Scoop it. Ready, go.
No.
Look, you do this one. Look, he's stingy, very.
Yeah, he's really stingy.
Here, do nail polish. Wait.
Suicide.
Come on.
Outside and
So we're putting the nail polish in, as you see.
innocent.
Oh. The nail polish kind of like deserves, so like it's supposed to be like this color, but I guess something got in it. But it's fine, so it looks pretty. Pour it in. So now it's pouring the color we need. So let's do our second color.
This.
Alright. So far she's gonna show you how our slime looking. Show how our slime looking. Show them how our slime looking. Alright, pour that in. You scoot it back. That's how our slime is looking. We're using a Hot Wheel box if you're wondering what is that. So I got this big old stick that we're gonna try to get that glue out with. And
Click.
all that mixture. To move that from the camera. Now that we got all our supplies in, we're going to stir it. As you guys see, it's kind of like activating it. So Sissy, help me stir.
Dizzy. Good.
So like, put on the box. I added too much acrylic. But it looks like it's activating it. Like, it looks like it's turning into slime at the same time.
No.
Alright, so we're gonna be...
That.
Never mind, we can't do that. Alright, that's it. Let's add in the activator. See, help him add in the activator.
Yes.
Huh.
Yeah.
That's like, keep him entertained. Huh? No, Sissy trying to help you.
Alright, now put it in.
See, pour it in the top in case it doesn't turn in. Here, see, pour some in the top so he can do it. Sissy, no, pour it in the top so he can scoop it. Scoop some more. Very stingy.
Top.
Oh, no! Tell him to scoop it. This is kind of cool. Like his first time making slime on YouTube. And we don't get that much likes, so we're not gonna make that much videos for you guys. So make sure we get lots of likes.
Hey.
See, next time we do one by ourselves without him. Like in the morning, I'm gonna wake you up so we can do it. That's it, Jen. Start. Start. Sorry, you got this one. Cheetahs. So you see, this is like a little light pink slime, but this nail green really turns it out to be like gum texture. I don't know why, but you need lots of activator. So yes, it's very sticky. So put some activator on my hand. It's a Sissy activator.
Disney, I
So pour it in Sissy hand.
am.
Put it on Sissy.
Huh?
Put it on my hand. Put it in my hand.
There you go.
So that's how we communicate. I need some more, Junior.
More?
Yeah.
Okay. More.
Yep, just like that. Scoop it.
Hey.
Alright. That's it. That's it. That's it.
That's it.
So look, it's turning into slime because I like when it gets very, very goopy. When it gets very goopy, that's the way I love it.
Hey.
I really don't like miniature slime, but you guys told me to do some miniature slime, so I'm doing it. Miniature slime just stays tiny. So as you see, it is my slime. It smells very good. So it smells very good.
Good.
No, I don't need no more. I want Cheeto. I want a bite.
Okay.
Uh-huh. So you see the slime. And now we're gonna move. We're gonna be like. Dude, can this video pause? So you see the slime. It's done. Now we're gonna let the person who owns this channel hold it.
Good. Now?
So here's our slime, Destiny.
No.
She's not like holding slime, but like it's not sticky, so she's gonna hold up the camera. This is how the slime looks. It's not sticky at all. Pull it up a little bit.
No.
It's like very shreds. I think that's them slime ingredients or those nail ingredients made it like that stretchy. Like we used acrylic stuff and nail polish. That's what made this bubblegum color. It's so pretty. I like this bubblegum pretty color. So, ready? Sit down. So thanks for watching. See you in our next video, and mwah, love you guys. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Cheetahs is my favorite.